Hello students, today I will discuss about the composition and nutritive value of meat. Composition of meat. Meat muscle which what we eat is made of the fibers bound together with connective tissue that are mainly linked to other grouped of muscles and directly to the animal bone structure. Muscle contain 60 to 70% moisture, 10 to 20% protein, 2 to 22% fat, and it contains 1% ash. Depending on the type and composition depend on upon the types of meat and species of the meat. Next is the nutritive value. Good source meat is a good source of HBV protein. It contains 15 to 25% for the growth and repair of the cells. Saturated fat 20 to 30%. The amount of varies depend on the animal and cuts. That is, chicken has less fat than the bacon. No carbohydrates, usually served with a starchy food. Good source of the vitamin B, offal a good source of vitamin A, no vitamin C. Iron, phosphorus. Liver has small amount of calcium, but it lacking in most meat. Water varies 50 to 60% more fat, the less water. Dietetic value of the meat. Important source of the protein, iron, and vitamin B. Many different types and cuts of meat. Some meat is organically produce. Meat can be cooked in the variety of ways. Some cuts of meat are relative cheap. Red meat contains saturated fat, should be avoided by the people with high cholesterol level. Nutritive value of the meat. Nutritive meat is the animal flesh that is used for the food. Meat highly nutritious food because it contains protein, fat, carbohydrate in relative portion. Supply energy as required by the human body, possesses ability to build and replace the tissue, and nutrition component present in the meat are easily absorbed by the human body. In general, lean meat, red meat, mutton are a good source of protein, niacin, vitamin B6, B12, thiamine, phosphorus, zinc, and iron. 100 gram of meat provide 25% RDA of these nutrients. Protein. Lean meat contains 16.5 to 20% protein. It is high biological value. Cooked red meat contains 28 to 36 gram of protein per 100 gram of meat. Animal protein contains all essential amino acids like lysine, methionine, cysteine, tryptophan, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, valine in a good portion. Meat, myofibrillary, and sarcoplasmic protein are rich in the essential amino acid, while the connective tissue protein are low in the tryptophan and sulfur containing amino acid. Collagen is poor in the lysine. Carbohydrates. Role of the carbohydrate nutritive value of the meat is negligible. Fat. Meat fat is a good source of essential fatty acid like linoleic acid, linoleic acid, and arachidonic acid. In animal fat, triglycerides are the abundantly found and are responsible for the caloric value of the fat in meat, whereas phospholipids are less quantity and aid in the maintenance of structural functional component of cell and cell membrane. It commonly occurring saturated fatty acid are butyric and caproic acid. Unsaturated fatty acid range 11 to 29% of the total fatty acid. Cholesterol, through present in minor quantity, make for the important component of animal tissue. Vitamins. Excellent source of meat is an excellent source of the vitamin B, but low in the fat soluble vitamin and lack in vitamin C. Red meat is abundant in the bioavailable vitamin B12. Liver is excellent source of vitamin A. Level of vitamin D are low and difficult to measure. Minerals. Meat is a good source of the phosphorus, iron, but low in the calcium. But it also contains sodium, potassium, magnesium, copper, zinc. Fat content of meat indirectly influences mineral content. Beef and lamb are richest source of iron. Absorption of zinc from animal sources is greater than that of the plant sources. Red meat is a good source of selenium. Lean meat is low sodium but potassium sodium ratio is more than 5. Meat based bioactive compounds. Meat contain bioactive compound like taurin, carnitine, conjugated linoleic acid, endogenous antioxidant, and creatines. Taurin is found in highest amount in the lamb. Carnitine found in abundantly in the sheep skeletal muscle. Conjugated linoleic acid is found in the muscle meat of the red meat. Endogenous compound like antioxidant ubiquinone has antioxidant properties, and glutathione apart from the antioxidant property play a role in the enhancing iron absorption. Creatine play an important role in the muscle energy metabolism and muscle performance. Thank you student. Today lecture is over.